Wisconsin until 12:45 a.m. At 11:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Janesville to their cruising to their Thunderstorm, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Walworth, Miller, Love Range, Avalon, Williams Bay, Palmyra, Sharon, Como, Fontana on the Maple Lake, Delavan Lake, Hill Lake, Potter Lake, Eagle, Abel's Corners, Pivot, Allen's Grove, East Troy, Darien, Elkhorn, and Lake Geneva. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.